Hi, I hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome to my channel. I'm Lori. So today I'm going to show you how I did this look. I will try and list all the products down in the description box down below. Keep in mind this is a new channel, so please subscribe by hitting the button down below to help support me and my new channel. Yeah, so I'm just going to go get right into it. It's going to be a little voiceover type of music in the background. I really hope you enjoy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so I already washed my face and now I'm just adding my foundation. It's Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation by MAC, and I'm wearing this in NC42. So you want to make sure you moisturize your face and add any acne medication on your face and your sunscreen. I usually use like oil absorbing like those blotting sheets because I am really oily, like, and I'm really active as a mom. Then I start adding my foundation, and I usually add the matte finish, the NYX matte finish setting spray before I start because that helps to prevent the oils from seeping before you apply your foundation. So definitely do that. I would recommend, and then apply your foundation. I'm just using a regular sponge, the regular ones, and then here I am applying my concealer. This is in Fair by it's the Maybelline, no, it's the Fit Me concealer in Maybelline. Yeah, the Maybelline. Am I confusing? Sorry. It's actually the Maybelline one in Fair. Fit Me Maybelline. Yeah, so I'm just putting that under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and on my upper lip. And I'm just, blotting it with my same sponge. I'm using the same sponge. And yeah, so you just want to make sure you do that. This is like to highlight. I'm using it like to highlight my face. Okay, and this is just like a regular powder. It has no talc in it. It's by Cover FX. It's really good for acne prone skin, and this is in G+60. It's a pressed mineral foundation, but I guess it's a powder foundation. So I use that all over my face. And now I'm using the Maybelline Clear Mascara. Any clear mascara will do. I'm just setting my brows and just brushing them in the direction that I would like them to like lay down. I usually tweeze. I tweeze my hair at home. I used to wax them before, but since I started using tretinoin, like a vitamin A cream, I no longer wax. I just I cut them with like the little baby, like little scissors that you can get for like your eyebrow hairs, and I tweeze them. So this is the Tartelette Toasted Tarte palette that I'm going to be using. And I just took a little bit of the shade Candle. It's a like light champagne-y shade. So I'm just going to put them all on my the lid, and I'm going to bring it up a bit. This one, it does like fall out, like, so you want to be careful, like just go like kind of slow when you're applying this one. And if you do get any fallout, just brush it off with like a brush, a makeup brush, like a big blush brush or powder brush. So next is my blush. Yes, by Lovejoy. This is MAC's Mineralize Blush. And I'm just going to be putting that. I'm using it kind of like as a contour, but like a blush too. So like where you would normally put your contour, or that's where I'm putting it. And I'm just kind of squeezing my brush there, the white brush that you see that I'm using, just so that it is more like centralized in the area that I want it to be. And I'm just going to start to like brush it up like a little bit on my temples. Okay, now I'm going in with another Cover FX powder in G70, just to contour my nose. And then I'm eyelining my eyes, and I'm using my favorite eyeliner. What's it called? It is called a Master Precise by Maybelline. Yeah, and it's called Master Precise Skinny. So I really love this eyeliner. It's soft and it's just because I like my eyeliner, like for my eyes, I have deep set eyes and I just feel like small, skinny, thin eyeliner suits me best. And so that's why I get this one. Okay, now I just want like the tips to be like a bit pointy. So that took me a while, but you know, just take your time. Okay, so I'm applying the setting spray one more time. And I'm going to tell you from now, I'm putting this shade right here. It's the MAC, let me see if I can see the name of it. Half and half, yeah. And then I'm just putting some like lip gloss on top. This is I think the name even came off, but it's like a kind of like the same shade as the MAC lipstick, but it's a lip gloss and has like some sparkles in it. So I wasn't like exactly like, this is a nice color. It's actually Revlon one of the Revlon lustrous lip glosses. So I'm just looking at it. I'm like, it's good. It's nice, but it doesn't match really. I felt like with my top and like with my earrings. So I'm just like taking it off and I'm going to be applying a MAC lipstick, Divine Choice. It's like a pinky color. It's discontinued, but I do have, I just went to MAC today and I bought like another lipstick that is like exactly the same as this one. So just subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload my new video so you can see what it is. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. Even when the lady saw me at MAC, she's like, yes, that looks really nice on you. I really do like this pink, and I just felt like it just tied the look together like really well because my top and like my earrings and everything just was like a lot more harmonious. So that's my look, and I really hope you like. Wrap my head up, you know, just to give it another twist. And yeah, so anyways, that's me. And everybody, I hope you have a wonderful day or night. And yeah, take care.